Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Luke and this is Motorhead. Look at this. Finally we got a sunny day. Let's see what's the temperature outside. Where's my phone? 54 degrees. So it looks like that's gonna be the starting of the season. So I'm just gonna take my Harley to the car wash for some deep cleaning, because it's pretty nasty. It's a lot of dirt in it. And in this video I'm gonna test it out. New microphone for my helmet. So I got the GoPro, I think that's 6. Of course that GoPro adapter. And then I got mic on a short cable. Yeah, but we'll see how it's gonna be the quality wise. Let's wake up this beast after the winter. Alive. Let's put a 0 miles for this new season. 0. I think we should be good to go. Tire pressure checked. Brakes are working. All right. Ah, shit. Of course, I think I forgot to tie down the helmet. Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. Finally back on two wheels. Today's March 20th, so it's the first day of the spring, and we got close to 60 degrees here in Chicago area, so it's perfect occasion to go and wash my Harley. Yeah, it was sitting in the garage for, let me think, for maybe five or 6 months, so quite a while. This new mic, it's right in my, almost in my mouth. It's right in my chin. Hopefully it's gonna record the sound a little bit better. So it's not much new on my bike. Didn't do any projects over the winter, but I got a few parts that I need to install. I got new Memphis Shades windshield, same as this one, just a little bit shorter. I think this one is 5-inch, and I got from Memphis Shades 3-inch. So it's gonna be probably up to here. I also got new pegs for the shifter. They'll be all metal. That feels weird. You always want to be a little careful after the winter time. If you take a break for quite a few months. Oh shit, that was a big pothole. Because, you know, you're like all rusty for not riding for such a long time. So you want to take it slow. And of course there might be some salt on the streets. So also watch out for that. I really want to go to HARLEY DAVIDSON to see if they got new Pan America. I would like to take that one for a test drive. Because on the paper it looks pretty decent. 150 horsepower. So let's go to manual car wash. Hopefully there's not gonna be a long line. I'm pretty sure there will be, but let's hope. Oh, and also I got a pretty good news. Finally, we're getting closer to 1,000 subs. Probably one more week, and we have that first 1,000 subs. So that's pretty exciting. Took quite a while to get there, but let's hope next 10,000 will be way quicker. Both pretty good. It would be nice to have 114 inches Milwaukee 8 engine. Unfortunately, I got 103 stage 1, but what you gonna do? I didn't spend too much money on this bike, so that's a keeper. Okay, so the car wash is right here. I think that's one of the last manual car washes. Everything else becomes $3 car wash. Probably you saw that in your neighborhood. All right, so let's see which one is open. Well, got pretty lucky. All right, so I'm gonna park it. Let's park right here. Alright, so the bike is all cleaned up. Let's go on the street and try it out real quick. Alright, so let's go to the expressway to test out the microphone. And I think that's gonna be it for today. Just a little quick motorcycle wash. Oh Jesus, Corona. Alright, so we're going on the expressway. We'll try not to go crazy. That's a nice turn. I gotta be careful. Both pretty good. Yeah, I wonder how it's gonna be the audio this time. I mean, I'm going pretty fast, around 75-80 miles. I don't get too much wind in the helmet, but the microphone is picking up all kinds of different stuff. Okay, so let's go back to my garage and install those few mods, and probably that will be in the next video. So if you want to see that, stand by. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.